Hello everyone, welcome to Plume application. So in this video I want to show you how to create your first document, and as you can see here you can choose blank, script or book document. Actually script and book documents are the same, and I will explain later. And so first let's start by creating blank document. So it wants us to create a folder for this file. I just choose my disk D and type its name, so blank doc. Okay, save. It is created successfully, and as you can see here it is. So I have chosen blank type of document. So there are only two sections, draft and trash. So draft section, actually it is your document. You can create a new list, and actually you can create any amount of lists, and it is very useful because when you are working on a big document you should divide your document by some sections, so you can easily understand where the information you need. That's what I mean. For example, first list is introduction, second list is main info, and the last one is ending. So now I clearly understand that this intro, main info, and ending. So let's start with filling the content. I just type some kind of header, introduction, choose its line, align center, size huge, and type of heading, for example heading 2. Also I want it to be bold, so I click this button, now it's bold. And when I press Ctrl+S, it is saved, so like this. Okay, now I want to do the same for main info and for ending. So now I want to type some kind of text to each of these documents. So we just choose some text from the internet and paste it here, choose it and choose its size large. So let's do the same for main info, and let's do the same for ending. So as you can see now we have 3 lists with text in each of it. Now I want to tell you how to delete your list if you don't need it anymore. So there is here is our ending list. So let's just press these buttons, delete ending, yes. So now as you can see it was moved to trash section. We can recover it or delete forever, and as you can see we still can edit this file, but I don't want it to be deleted, so I click recover. And for example there is some cases when you can delete your file, and after recovering, as you can see now, introduction is in the end, so we need it to be the first position. We can just click lists, reorder lists, and just drag and move this list to the beginning like this. Okay, apply. As you can see now it is at the beginning of the list of this section. Okay, so also we can create new project, open project, save all the changes, open project directory. So as you can see it is opened already. We can reorder as I have just showed, maximize our window, refresh window, export to PDF or TXT. So let me show you how to export your document to PDF. So we just press to PDF. Now it wants us to choose its name and folder. So I just type PDF document and save this. Okay, it is saved, and let's just open it. And as you can see here, that's our introduction section list, that's our main info list and ending. And as you can see here, everything's the same text size and font size and font family. And as you can see here, it was it has divided our text because there is not enough space to store it on this list. If your document is very big, it's going to split your document automatically, so nothing is going to be lost. Okay, so now let's have a look at txt, export to txt. That's the second button. Also, let's type its name, txt document. Okay, save, and let's have a look. Okay, as you can see, this our introduction, main info and ending, and there is text for each of there is a text for each list, as here, as in our editor. Okay, also you can print your document. You can print this list only, so this chosen. For example, if I press this button, it is going to print me introduction. And if you want to print entire document, you click this button. And when you click this button, as you can see here, it chooses the list you want and wants you to print it using your printer. Okay, and if you press print entire document, as you can see here, everything is chosen, all the lists, and same, it wants you to choose your printer. Okay, so now I want to delete my ending list, and I have already shown you how to recover it, but now I want to show you how to delete forever. So when I press this button, as you can see here, it is deleted and you can't recover it. Okay, so that's it. You can reorder your lists and do whatever you want, edit it, and etc. So now let's have a look at okay, I'm going to delete it. Now let's have a look at script or book documents. So actually they are the same, because both in book and script documents there are heroes and places where all the actions happen. So it doesn't matter what you choose. Okay, for example, theater play. Okay, let's call it like that. Save. And as you can see here, there are two additional sections, actors and places. So now you create same, for example, epilogue and chapter 1. Okay, I'm just going to create some kind of headers. So that two sections are very useful, because you won't store all the information about your actors and places. For example, this actor is some kind of mage, and the second is knight. And places, for example, this is forest, so that's the place where the actions happen. So you just type some notes about each actor. Like that. So now when you're working on your book or script, you just click on your actor to see information you have written before, so you won't skip any little detail. And same about places. So for example, you can write some actions that happen here, and this place description. So it is very useful as well, because you won't lose any little detail. So same, you just can export it, print, export to any format, reorder any of your information. So you can change order of any section, actors and places and draft. So as you can see here, everything is changeable, editable, and you click apply and everything is changed. Okay, so that's it. I've shown you everything: print, export, view, add, reorder your lists, saving, and actually yes, that's all. So enjoy using Plume.